Hey everybody, Danny and I are here in Poole, England. As you can see, it's a gorgeous day. And here is our little, very cute Fiat rental car. And we're going to give you a little insights on driving in England. So first of all, in England, they drive on the left side of the road, which in itself can be a little challenging for us Americans. In addition, the steering wheel is on the right side of the vehicle, adding to the unique experience of driving in England. Then in England, many cars, especially the ones you rent, are all manual transmissions. So we combine driving on the left side, a steering wheel on the right side, and now a manual transmission with the shifter on the left side. So even if you're used to driving a manual transmission, now you're using your left hand to shift. It makes for an interesting driving experience. The other thing that's interesting about English driving is that the traffic lights, a yellow signal means it's going to turn green, not that it's going to turn red. So when you see a red light and then it goes to yellow, that means that in England, the light is about to turn green. One other thing I will point out about English driving is they don't have the bias against station wagons that we have in the United States. As many Americans know, you can barely buy a station wagon in America. They're not considered cool. But Europeans have no problem with station wagons. They think they're a great configuration for a vehicle, even to the point that Bentley, as you can see behind me, builds a beautiful station wagon model for sale in Europe that they do not offer in the United States, of course. Whether Volkswagen makes station wagons, there are many cool and stylish station wagons sold in Europe that are not sold in America. So here we're at the St. James Church. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Union Jack flying above. We've had an amazing trip here in Poole, England, and wanted to give you a little insight on driving in England. Hope that helps.